GoldSpireVision is designed to support traders with clear tools, structured data, and a user-friendly trading environment. The platform focuses on helping users understand market movement and make decisions based on real-time information. One of the most noticeable features is the visual clarity of price movements. The platform uses intuitive color coding, where green represents upward movement and red indicates a decline. This simple system allows traders to quickly interpret market conditions without unnecessary complexity. Another important feature is time synchronization. GoldSpireVision automatically adjusts all displayed times to match the user's local time zone. This ensures that trading activity aligns accurately with global market sessions and reduces confusion when monitoring assets. Each asset available on the platform includes detailed information. Traders can access descriptions, trading schedules, expiration times, and key identifiers. This level of detail allows users to plan their trades more effectively and understand how each asset behaves within the market. The concept of underlying assets is also clearly integrated into the platform. Traders can work with derivatives based on commodities, stocks, indices, or currency pairs. The value of these instruments is directly linked to the movement of the underlying asset, allowing traders to benefit from price changes without owning the asset itself. GoldSpireVision also ensures that market data is updated in real time. This enables traders to react quickly to changes and adjust their strategies as needed. Combined with clear visual indicators and structured asset information, the platform creates a more controlled trading experience. Overall, GoldSpireVision focuses on clarity, efficiency, and usability. By simplifying complex information and providing real-time insights, it supports traders in making more informed and structured decisions.